Welcome to Foxwood Lake Estates located in Lakeland, Florida. This 55-plus gated community has everything. The Very Large Clubhouse can accommodate all activities. The clubhouse includes a library, billiards room, fitness area, dining room seating, and a large kitchen. The community also features a beautiful pool, hot tub, pickleball, shuffleboard, a fishing dock for catch and release, and walking trails. The home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, living room, dining room, kitchen, and a Florida room with wet bar. Kitchen features a breakfast bar, pantry, pendant lights, and backsplash. The home includes built-in cabinets in the living room and dining room. There are bay windows in the living room and bedroom number 2. Most of the home is laminate except for the Florida room, which is carpet. Washer and dryer are included in the utility room. In the yard, you will find a peach tree and lime tree to enjoy. AC 2015, roof 2008. All sizes are approximate. Call for your showing today.